Alright, back here in this back area again, I'm gonna start pulling up these T-posts and getting this little bit of fencing out of here and off of this side. This is part of that fence that I tore down in the back, one of the panels, and it's completely mangled and really of no use. So I'm going to cut it down with the grinder and put it in the metal trailer for scrap. Alright, back here at this project, I got all the fencing pulled up and all the T-posts. I didn't film a lot of it, just a lot of me getting on and off the tractor. And then I did kind of run the brush hog just a little bit over some of these leaves. Now this part over here, I didn't want to take it all the way down, so I had to go get the grinder, and I'm going to cut it off at that post there and just leave a little bit of that fencing over there, because I may want to box that in one day. But I think both of these are pulled up. I know that post is, but I'm just going to cut this off and then it'll be wide open. As you can see on this side of the panel, it's stapled down to the post, so I'll just cut it off here just so it won't be sticking out. Alright, that feels good to get that wide open. Now we can easily mow through here and keep that big pile of leaves out of here and any limbs, you know, that fall out of the trees or whatever. And just be able to access this space a little bit better. And if I ever want to enclose this end, I can put some tin or something on it. So I just left that little piece of panel on there. But it's getting a little bit cleaner and more accessible. And I was using the grinder, and then earlier with my little time lapse, you probably saw me in and out messing with it. Over time you get just these little pieces of wheel left, and we just have a little place that we collect them. And so I had about, I don't know, 5 of these just little pieces, and I would just using them up on that junk, you know, cutting that kind of stuff. It doesn't warrant using a new cutoff wheel. All resources are important on a homestead, so we don't really waste anything. Alright, I'm feeling accomplished today. I don't know what all is going to be in this video, but I hope you enjoyed watching that. It's a beautiful day. I'm sure I have something else to do, but I may cut off this video here. I don't know what projects will go into it, but I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Well, we finally got some time where the wind died down and I can start burning this brush pile. It's been here too long. It's a really nice evening. we've had either we were under burn ban, or ever since we got off of burn ban, it's just been really, really windy. So now's my chance. Able to get yesterday afternoon one of our brush piles going because the wind died down. I'm going to go check on it. Looks like it burned down pretty good. And the wind is back up today, so I'm not going to burn anymore, but I'll just kind of push it up a little bit.
Got another bass.